Our washing machine is not draining. We're getting an F21 error, which the manual tells us is a draining error, which is probably because it's clogged from washing a mat that the rubbery underside was coming apart. So we're going to try and clear the drain. In order to make the repair, we need to remove the access panel, which is held in place with 3 screws. Using a 1/4-inch socket wrench, remove the 3 bolts, take off the access panel, and set it aside. So I've taken off the front panel, and I'm going to remove this drain area. Because there is water in the washing machine, I've put a tray underneath to catch the water. I'm guessing that it will come gushing out. Oh, yikes, it's a little bit stiff. And I've got a towel underneath. And this is the water coming from the washer. I'll let that drain. And once my tray is full, I'm going to close it a little, dump it, come back and forth so that I can drain all the water from the drum of the washer. So I've drained the water out. I'm untwisting this the rest of the way to pull out the inner clog. Not shocking that this has not been able to drain properly. So now we see what it should look like empty of gunk. And the tray of gunk that was in there is mostly the rubber from that floor mat that disintegrated, but also some money, a fair bit of change, safety pin, very small Lego person, a bunch of stones, and miscellaneous debris. So we'll clean all that out. Probably I should do that more frequently than I have done it since we bought this machine. Then this goes back in and we're gonna start it back up. So after the gunk and debris is removed from the drain catch, we replace the drain catch, tighten it up snug, and then in order to clean out the remaining debris, I ran a rinse spin cycle. When that went smoothly, I ran a clean washer cycle to make sure all the debris was out of the innards of the washer. I double checked inside the drain catch after doing those clean washer cycles, and it was empty. So it seems to be back on the mend, washing clothes. Hope that helps.